Okay, just like earlier, we were combining these, and the first one is stacked vertically, which is great, except we're subtracting these amounts. And I just want you to imagine this first one. If we were subtracting this amount, 3n plus 8, then essentially what we've got to do is say, I could rewrite this as 5n minus 2, and I could distribute that negative through. So I'm going to basically say, okay, now, because I have to distribute the negative through here and here, I'm going to change the sign of both those things inside. And what was inside? There was a 3n. Now it becomes a minus 3n. And minus positive 8 is the same as negative 8. Okay? Why am I doing that? Because you might be able to see up here, up top, that 5n minus 3n is the 2n that we're going to get down here. But sometimes it's a little bit more confusing when you see this to forget that this actually has to have a negative in there. That's actually subtracting that positive 8. And so what you're left with is negative 2 minus 8, which is negative 10. Okay? That's that. And over here, kind of the same thing. We've got this h to the fourth term and this h to the fourth term. So here we've got 14 of them, and then we're subtracting, because this says subtract, 9 of them. So what's 14 minus 9? It is 5 of them. And what are they? They are h to the fourth terms. Okay? Likewise, we have h cubed terms. There's 3 of them there. And here, there's 2 of them, but we're taking 2 of them away. So we've got 3 of these. Take away 2 of them. And what is 3 take away 2? It is 1. Positive 1, right? So we don't write plus 1 h cubed. We just write plus h cubed. And that's the solution for that one. Done. Just be careful when you're subtracting that you change the sign of everything. And if you wanted to, actually, for this last one, you could write 14h to the fourth plus 3h cubed and stack it, and you could say minus parentheses 9h to the fourth plus 2h cubed, and then further rewrite the problem. I mean, you can write whatever you want, whatever it helps you, but I like to say, okay, and then we are actually distributing that negative through both of those, so this becomes then a negative 9 h to the fourth, and that becomes a negative 2 h cubed. Now if you just dealt with the numbers straight away, you get 14 minus 9 is 5h to the fourth, and 3 minus 2 is 1, or just h cubed. And that's what we have above.